In this video, I'll show you how to download a song from Suno AI. First, open your web browser, go to the Suno AI website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open your library or the page that contains the song you want to download. Next, select the song you've created and open it. Look for the download button or the more menu, depending on your version of Suno. Now, click download and choose the format you'd like to save, if multiple options are available. Your browser will begin downloading the song to your device. After that, wait for the download to finish. Once it's complete, open your computer's downloads folder to find the audio file. You can then play it, move it to another folder, or use it in your projects, depending on your usage rights and plan. Finally, if the download option isn't available, check that you're signed into the correct account and that your current Suno plan includes downloads for the song you've created. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to download a song from Suno AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.